Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to control who sees your email address on Facebook. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, and Facebook offers tools to help you manage your personal details effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can ensure only your friends see your email address. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can access various settings and features. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your account. Under the Accounts Center section, tap on Personal Details. This is where you can manage all the information associated with your Facebook account, including your contact information. Tap on Contact Info, and you'll see a list of details you've shared on Facebook. Locate your email address and tap on it. Now, you'll see options related to your email address. Tap on Facebook account, and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. This is where you can control who sees your email address. You'll be presented with a few options, including Public, Friends, and Only Me. For this tutorial, we want to ensure only your friends can see your email address, so choose Friends. By selecting Friends, you're ensuring that only people you've added as friends on Facebook can view your email address. This is a great way to maintain privacy while still allowing those close to you to contact you via email if needed. Remember, even if you hide your email address from public view, it might still appear in search results or other places on Facebook for people you've shared it with. However, by following these steps, you're taking a significant step towards protecting your privacy and controlling who has access to your personal details. That's it. You've successfully set your email address to be visible only to your friends on Facebook. This simple process helps you maintain control over your online presence and ensures that your personal information is shared only with those you trust.